you want to know how to fix Snapchat C14A error, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I want to show you that I can easily use Snapchat, as you can see. So I can receive, send messages, receive snaps, view stories, and so on. So how can you do the same? In this video, I'll show you step by step what do you need to do to fix this error, to be able to log in. Basically, if you remember password and username, everything will be easy as for us. So firstly, we need to open App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile device. And now click on search and search for Snapchat. So here make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat, because sometimes it could be number one reason how can you receive problems like C14A. Because sometimes Snapchat doesn't support old versions of their app. So if you didn't upload it for a long time, you won't be able to use it anymore. You will receive this error. Then we need to open our settings. On the Android it may look a little bit different, but I hope everything will be okay. So go to General and search for iPhone storage. Then we need to wait until everything will be uploaded. And here go to Snapchat folder. So after that we need to click on Upload App. And as you can see, uploading will delete the app but keeps its documents and data. That's what we need. Let's click on Upload App. And after that, this button will be replaced by Re-upload. So we need to reinstall the app right up on our phone. So after that, we need to go to General, back to Settings. And here scroll down to find Snapchat. So we need to go to Snapchat settings directly. Somewhere here. Yeah, Snapchat. And here make sure that background app refresh is working as for you. So this feature should be turned on. After that, we can try to close and let's try to open Snapchat. And as you can see, probably it will fix your problem and you'll be able to log in and to work with Snapchat. But what if not? So we have another option. We need to go to browser and here search for Snapchat support. And after that, open the first link, help.snapchat.com, and we'll come to this page here, where we need to click on managing my account in the right side menu. So the next thing we need to do is to contact support team. So basically we need to, for example, click on login and password, and then we need to find something which is suitable as for us. So now we need to click on I get an error messaging logging into Snapchat. And here we can find some descriptions, but we need to scroll down to click on was this article helpful, click on no. Then we need to choose some reasons, click on submit, and we need to click on contact us. It's really important, click on this button. And the next step we need to do is just simply click on I found bug, click on still need help, yes. And then we need to choose like Snapchat is crashing. Scroll down when I open the app. And on this page here, we need to click on yes once more. And as you can see, now we have a form where we can click input our username, email, mobile number, device, when did you start having this issue, and also what is really important is description. So here we need to add full description of our problem. We have a problem with S14A code, so input everything will be related with this stuff. Also make sure that email, username, and mobile number are correct, so they're the same you have on your Snapchat account. So then everything is done, just simply click on submit and then just pass the CAPTCHA. And in a few hours, Snapchat support team will receive our message and they will help us to fix this problem. So all we need to do is just simply wait. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat C14A error. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.